Hello there! Welcome to the first episode of Tips and Tricks for Friday the 13th the game. Today I will show you the double tap. In base game it only works off host. That's why I'm showing you the whole thing in Camp Blood. So if you play base game, please keep in mind that it's off host only.
Take you from me, Jason. Don't let them.
So how do you actually do that? To be honest, it's fairly simple. You first go into combat stance, then hold your left mouse button and press Shift and C at the same time. As soon as your weapon hits the surface of something, you press C again. That will make Jason do a second swing. Now imagine how fast you can break doors with a Jason that has destruction.